minutes anyway. It's 9:31 now. The market's already open. I went to all the time frames. I went to the daily, the 4 hour, the 1 hour, and marked out my previous session highs and lows there. And I went down straight to 5 minute, marked my entries. I had a long that I can take right there, and I can have a short right there. If you see, I'm doing 4 contracts now, so I tightened my stop loss. So I still have the 30 take profit, but my stop loss is only at 15, so that I don't, completely blow my evaluation if I lose a trade. That was at the recommendation of my son because he's also trading futures, and he passes evaluation stage and passes funding, and he's actually getting funded now with his with that company. So right now my current balance is $50,202.70. So we'll see where the market takes us today. Okay, so I entered this because, as you can see, the candle just inversed this bullish fair value gap that had formed. So I didn't get in exactly where I wanted, but it got me in down here. So that's still good because I can still use a 30 take profit. And again, remember, I made my stop loss tighter because I want to make sure that I can profit without getting stopped out and losing my eval account. So let's see. Okay, so that was terrible. It literally stopped me out for the 4 contracts, but thank God at least it was only a 15-point stop loss and not the 30-point, which would have been way worse. So remove that one. I'm out of that trade. I'm going to try one more before I finish out the day. I'm still looking at this bullish fair value gap to be able to take a long. So in that trade just now, I lost $243. Had I won, I would have won about $500. So now my account balance is below the 50,000, which sucks. But I'm at 49,959 and 10 cents. But I am still following my strategy, so it's okay. Because even if I had this at, I would have lost way more. I would have lost a lot. So, all right. And I'm just looking for, hopefully this candle closes above here, and I can take along and make some money back. Actually, I'm only supposed to be at 30. And if the 30, if it comes close to it, I'll do the trailing stop loss and everything. All right, we have a little bit over a minute to go for this candle. Let's see what's going to happen. Okay, so the candle did not close above the bearish fair value gap, so I'm still waiting. Okay, so stop loss. Entry. Okay, so I'm just went in for a long because the candle closed above that fair value gap. And depending on what happens today, I'll be out of the trade. 15 and 30. Okay, here we go. Shit, ain't looking too great. Okay, hopefully we get up to take off here. So I have these alarms that go off every 4 minutes, so that I'm not constantly looking at the charts because you know nerves and anxiety get to me when I'm looking at the chart and the numbers are going down when I want them to go up, or they're going up when I want them to go down. So I just set my entries, set my take profit and stop loss, and don't even look at the screen again until I hear a notification. And that's also to help me with my entries, because I wait for the 5 minute candle to close. So the alarm goes off every 4 minutes. So at 4 minutes, I know there's a minute left before the 5 minute candle closes. So I can take a look at it to see whether or not I can get an entry and things like that. For me personally, I just can't look at the um, chart all day. And just for my eyes, too, in general. Okay, so that came super close to my stop loss. I'm gonna stop recording now, and I'll just pick it up wherever it ends up going afterwards. Okay. Okay, guys, so you can see that I ended up winning this trade. I'm so happy because otherwise I would have been really upset. So now that trade, okay, so it didn't wipe out completely what I lost, but my total profit, that doesn't make sense. So because I lost 15 points before and I just made 30, I don't know. But anyway, I'm at 50,187 now and 50 cents.